Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we've got something exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there, the PLZ 7 inches wireless double-din car stereo. Whether you're looking for seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or you just want an upgraded audio experience, this stereo has got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into its key features, performance, and why it could be the perfect addition to your car. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Introducing the PLZ 7 inches wireless double-din car stereo, a versatile and powerful car audio system designed for modern drivers. This device offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing you to sync your smartphone effortlessly as soon as you start the car. Whether you're using Google Maps or Waze for navigation or listening to your favorite music on Spotify, this stereo ensures a seamless experience. With voice control options like Siri and Google Assistant, it's all about convenience and safe driving. The stereo comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster and more reliable connections. With an additional Bluetooth antenna and a smart chip, you get crystal clear hands-free calls and audio streaming. The device also has a built-in microphone for smoother conversations while you drive. With its smart technology, users will experience fewer delays, better sound quality, and reduced static noise. It's the perfect companion for staying connected on the go while staying focused on the road. With 240 West output power and 4.2-channel audio, the PLZ stereo is built for high-fidelity sound. Whether you're an audiophile or just want enhanced bass, its dual subwoofer outputs and 10-band EQ audio equalizer let you customize the audio settings to your liking. For those concerned with heat management, the unit comes equipped with a large heatsink to ensure optimal performance even after long hours of use. This stereo supports both front and rearview cameras, including an HD backup camera with night vision. It automatically switches to the rear camera when reversing, offering a 170 ultra-wide viewing angle. Additionally, the MirrorLink feature lets you project your smartphone screen directly onto the stereo's 7-inch HD display, making it easy to watch movies, access maps, and more. However, note that it's not compatible with the latest iOS 18.0 or above. That wraps up our review of the PLZ 7 wireless double-din car stereo. With its seamless wireless CarPlay, crystal clear Bluetooth, and incredible sound quality, this could be the perfect upgrade for your car. But what do you think? Would you add this to your ride? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're still on the fence, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we've got more in-depth reviews and comparisons coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.